Two apps, same number of users, same ad formats, same number of impressions. One earns $200 a month, the other earns $900. The only difference? Which ad network is running those ads? Most app owners set up AdMob on day one and never touch it again. That decision is costing them hundreds of dollars every single month. Here's what the data actually says about which networks are winning in 2026 and how to know which one your app should be using. Point 1. AdMob is not the default winner anymore. Google AdMob is the most recognized name in app monetization. It's also the first thing every tutorial recommends. But on iOS, AdMob holds just 7% of ad revenue share in Q1 2026. AppLovin holds 39%. That's not a small gap. That's a completely different league. Now on Android, AdMob leads at 24%, so platform matters enormously here. If you're on iOS and running AdMob as your only network, you're essentially filling your ad slots with the lowest bidder. Point 2. The right network depends on your platform. Here's the simple framework. If your app is on iOS, AppLovin Max should be your primary network, or at minimum, part of your mediation stack. It controls nearly 40% of iOS ad revenue share. The demand is simply there. Now on Android, AdMob leads at 24%, but AppLovin is right behind at 19%, and Mintegro is pulling 17%. That means on Android, mediation isn't optional, it's how you win. You don't pick one network on Android. You run them all and let your mediation layer automatically serve the highest bid. AppLovin Max and AdMob both offer free mediation tools. This is not a developer-only task, it's a settings configuration. Point 3. The two networks actually growing right now. Everyone talks about AdMob and AppLovin, but the two networks showing consistent growth across both iOS and Android in 2026 are Unity Ads and Liftoff. Unity Ads grew 4% year-over-year on iOS. Liftoff grew on both platforms. Why does this matter for you? Growing networks are bidding more aggressively to win impressions. That means higher eCPMs for publishers, for you, right now, while they're still in growth mode. If you're not including Unity Ads in your mediation waterfall, you're leaving one of the most competitive bidders on the table. The playbook is simple. iOS app, AppLovin Max as primary, Unity Ads in your mediation stack. Android app, AdMob as base, AppLovin and Mintegro in mediation. Both, run mediation on both platforms and let the highest bid win every time. The free network comparison sheet I use with clients is linked below. It maps each network to app type, platform, and setup complexity. Subscribe. I drop one of these every week.